Hi, everybody. How are you? Hope you are well. So, we're going to talk about what to do if you lose your job. So, a lot is going on um, out here talks of recession, inflation, everything else. So, um, if you lose your job or you know anyone else that this can help, what you would do is call your creditor and ask for what is called a loan extension. And what they're going to do is they're going to move that monthly payment to the end of your loan. So that would allow for you to skip that month. And you can do this 3 times a year. So, um, say, for example, you can do it, we're in May now. Say you can do June, you can do July, you can do August. You can do 3 times a year, right? So next year is going to be another year. So you can do it 3 times a year. So just call your creditor up and ask for what is called a loan extension. So you're not going to tell them that you lost your job. Just simply say that you need a loan extension, and it's a common request. They will grant you your request. Sometimes they'll give you 2 months. Sometimes they will give you 3 months. Um, so just call and ask for the loan extension. This is for your mortgage and your car. So you'll be able to skip payments for those months for your car and for your mortgage. And then that way you could have more money to survive, right? So it will allow you to skip those months. You could do it 3 times a year. It will not impact your credit at all. It's saving your house. It's saving your car. They really they don't want your house, and they don't want your car. But they do want you to, if you're having issues, they do want you to contact them and work it out. And they are willing to work it out for you in that way. Again, you just get on the phone, call your creditor, and ask for what is called a loan extension. So, in the event that you lose your job, it's going to take 3 to 6 months to find another job. And so, this is like a cycle, right? And it doesn't matter how old or how young you are. So losing your job is likely to happen again, right? So you want to be prepared because, like I said, it doesn't matter how young you are, doesn't matter how old you are. And so this cycle is a cycle that repeats. So you become prepared by, while you're working, you're saving your money. So having a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Also, getting into entrepreneurship so that you have more control over your life. So, creating business so that you're not just dependent on a job, creating a business that generates money to support yourself, and also buying real estate. So, the real estate is going to eventually free you from your job. So, the cash flow from the real estate will pay you for the rest of your life. And that is why buying real estate is so important. So instead of just being dependent on a job for the whole cycle of your life, like for the whole, people generally retire at age 65, 66, instead of depending on a job to the age of 66, what people are doing is buying rental property, and the rental property will eventually replace your job. Or you could go the other avenue, which is entrepreneurship, creating businesses which will generate you income, or you could do both. Like the majority of millionaires have multiple streams of income. Businesses plural, and real estate. And so this is how you protect yourself: creating businesses and buying real estate. Also, having an emergency fund, because losing your job is a repetitive cycle. So, working on getting off that cycle and heading over to that entrepreneurship path. That's how you protect yourself. All right. So, also, in the event of a job loss, um, just stay encouraged. It takes about 3 to 6 months to find another job. Again, call the creditor, ask for a loan extension, and then don't forget staffing agencies. Staffing agencies will get you another job faster, because for staffing agencies, their job is to get you a job. So they're making money off of you because you're working. And that's how staffing agencies work. So, say, for example, you get on the phone, you call a staffing agency for a position, the staffing agency finds you a job. So, say they're going to pay you X dollars an hour. So, they're paying you X dollars an hour, but the company is actually paying a higher rate. So, the company, uh, I'm just going to give an example. Say the company pays $100 an hour. So, you as a worker, they're going to give you a portion of that 100, but that other money is going to the staffing agency. And so that is why the staffing agency, they really want you to work, because they're making money off of you. So you go to work and the staffing agency gets paid because they sent the worker. All right. So don't forget about the staffing agencies. Remember, this is temporary. This is a temporary situation. So just stay encouraged. And remember, this is a cycle. And so our goal is getting off of this cycle and getting into that more stable place. And that stable place is entrepreneurship, what we get on here and we talk about every week. So stay encouraged. If you like this channel, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And before you leave, hit the like button on your way out. Thank you for watching.